In today's lesson, we are going to prove that in any acute angled triangle, ABC, sine A, sine angle of A over side A is equals to sine angle of C is equals to C. Firstly, we need to construct a triangle. And after constructing the triangle, ensure that you include D, meaning you will look at this in terms of odd and even. So we are going to look at it in terms of odd and even in order to accommodate everybody's understanding for answering this question. So what I'll do is I'll construct a line, and then I'll therefore put in my points accordingly. Seeing that I have triangle ABC, I notice that I'm supposed to solve for angle A and angle C. So for angle A and angle C here, these will be odd. To help me do this without any mistakes, I will put my angle A and angle C first. That's what I label, and then I have my angle B, and with the line that I've constructed, I have D as well, right? So what I'll do is I'll first start off by saying, okay, after drawing this, I make BD clearly as it's constructed, it's perpendicular to AC, right? Once I'm at this point, I will work in different triangles. So in, for example, triangle, let me go ABD. In triangle ABD, if you look at it, sine A, sine angle of A is equals to BD, which is my y. Remember, sine A, sine is equals to y over r, right? So it's this over this side. So clearly this side will be the small c, right? And this side will be the small a. So clearly sine A is equals to BD over C in triangle ABD. So that's how I would have it. Now, the goal here is to make BD the subject of the formula, right? So making BD the subject of the formula, I'd have C sine angle A is equals to BD. So I've made BD the subject of the formula. Now in the other triangle, again, in triangle, let me go CBD, right? I have now sine C, which will be equals to BD over side A. So side BD over side A, remember this is y over r. If you know your sine ratios, right? Trigonometric ratios, that is. So right now, clearly I must make BD again the subject of the formula. Remember, this C is for this angle. This is not. So I'm going to make it A sine. This is an angle, sine angle of C, right? Is equals to BD. Once I'm at this point, I've already answered the question because I can therefore equate the two sides. I know BD is equals to this and BD here is equals to this. So this is my first equation. This will be my second equation. So these are the two that I'm looking at. That's one and that's one. So I'm going to equate the two. So when I equate the two, I'll have my sine, C sine A, angle of A, right, is equals to A sine angle of C. Now clearly algebraically I can always divide this side by A and divide this side by C. Now these will cancel. So if I do this, meaning that this goes that side and this goes that side. Now I have a final solution at sine A over A is equals to sine C over C. So let me rephrase that. Sine angle A over side A is equals to side angle C over side C.